Secret Gang Stuff. Oh my god, 70 SCK. May 3rd, 2020. Just hit me making a video. I'm making a video at this spot, and then I uploaded it to Exposing Court's YouTube channel. The tape recorder I showed in that video is this one, and the same audio file is still recording. So look where the time is at right now related to the time on the video that will be in the YouTube account, the same YouTube account that got uploaded to Exposing Court. Look at the difference in time frame. In this video, once I upload this video to YouTube, which I'll do right after I get done recording. Now the reason why that's important is because this tape recorder was shown in that video in reference to where it was at in recording time, right? So, as soon as I get done making the recording, did this tape recorder pick up what I stated in that video was being propped up around me here. I even stated in that video that let's see if it gets propped up as soon as the video ends, and it got propped up. Literally. So, it'll show, so when I ended that video, I was showing where the tape recorder was at in the record mode at the time the video was being the video was being concluded. Then the tape recorder was still continuing the recording, and so it shows that it got propped up right after I concluded that recording. And then what they did was, so when this one gets propped up, it's going to show that the harassment stopped as soon as I started making another video again. Because check this out. You see this little camera here? This little camera right here, I'm getting ready to get a new one of these. Okay, this little camera right here has got an SD card in it. It fits on the side. There it is right there. Let me show it to you. Now, that's the SD card. Alright, hold on a second. That's the SD card that should have the video I just got done making, because it was saved to it and then uploaded to YouTube. Then I went and tried to make another video right after I heard those words and phrases being stated, and it was about 2 minutes and 20 seconds long. And then after I concluded it, my phone said, "Sorry, video failed." So that video didn't even appear. Okay, it's probably not even on that SD card. So I made one, it was on it, uploaded it to YouTube. Went to go make a second one, it failed. So now this is the third one. And what I did was I took the SD card that was in this phone originally and put it back in it. Okay? So this is still the same audio file. I'm sorry, this is still the same audio recording. So what do you think is between where the audio file was at and concerning when it was shown in the video I made a little bit ago? Because this tape recorder, like you see it right now, so you're seeing that it's in the record mode. Okay? And then when you see the video, and you see what I say that is being propped up around me, but it was stopped when I made the video. And then as soon as I get done concluding that video, it got propped up again. Okay? So now you're seeing the tape recorder, which is still recording, the same audio file, still recording. You're going to see how it stopped when I was making the video, and then started right back up again as once I concluded that video. And now it stopped again. And so this tape recorder is still going to be recording after I stop this video. And so we're going to see if it gets immediately propped up again once I conclude this video. Now, logic and probabilities and statistical analysis would say to anybody that it's intentionally being stopped when I'm making a video. Now, once I get done making this video, if it's not caught right away, well, Google cyber surveillance and gang stalking, meaning that they can see what you're doing, okay? Including monitoring everything you're doing on your phone. Google that to gang stalking. So if they see what you're doing on your phone, if they see what you're exposing in your video, then they can see how you're trying to catch them. and not just hold on. Not just in exposing what you're enduring and trying to catch it, but they already know your tape recorder's catching it. So then if they stop it when you go to make a video and then it starts again when you conclude the video, it shows that they're intentionally stopping it when you make the video. Absolutely. Okay. So I'm going to conclude this video and upload it to YouTube, and then this audio file is still going to remain recording all day long. It's got brand new batteries in it. It's got more than enough memory. It's in the hold position so it can accidentally be bumped in order to, like the stop button can't be accidentally bumped. That would stop the recording. It's pushed up all the way, the side button there. It's in the hold mode. So you can even stop this unless you took it out of the hold mode. Okay? So we're going to see then how fast it's propped up after I conclude this video. The video right now is approaching 6 minutes and 15 seconds long. I'm going to stop it at 6 minutes and 40 seconds. And I'm going to take a snap screenshot too when it's being stopped. When I say thank you for listening, have a good day, it's approaching 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So cross-reference that to the time you see it's at when I say that on the tape recorder. Okay, it's got about 8 seconds now. Just took a snap screenshot at 6:36. Everybody, thank you for listening. Have a good day.